Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today, I have a quick demo for you using the new Mcgrath Mega Mothership palette. Let's get into it. Alright, so first off, I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my eye. I have very oily eyelids, so if you don't, you can skip this part. Okay, so for a transition color, I believe this shade is called Venetian Orchard. I'm just going to go ahead and get in my crease with my Wayne Goss brush. And this is going to go on the inner and outer all the way across my crease, and I'm taking it a little bit higher. Next up, this beautiful burgundy shade here, and I'm going to be using like a tighter smudger brush, and as you can see, I'm kind of just following the natural shape of my crease, and again, all the way in and then bringing it all the way out, and I do end up kind of flicking it just a little bit. Build as much as you want. Again, this is going to vary just depending on your eye shape and your eye structure. Next up here, going in with that first shade that we use just to help blend that line out, so that way it's not a harsh line. Okay, next up, taking a flat brush, I'm just going to go in with this shade. I think it's called Electron. It's purple, but it's got a little bit of a blue reflex to it. It's really, really pretty. So starting off by placing it in the center of my lid, and then I'm going to take it to the inner corner there. Next up, we're going to go in with this dark purple, and it's got a little bit of like a pink glitter in it. It's called Dark Amethyst, and I'm putting that in the crease, and I'm also going to work it down to the lower outer of my eye as well. Then we're just going to go ahead with a tighter blending brush and making sure everything is nice and blended. Then we're going to take this beautiful pink reflex shade, and again with that same tight brush, I'm going to go in the inner corner and I'm going to pull that up just a little bit. Now we're going to go back in with smoked amethyst again. I'm going to use this as my liner, and I'm also going to flick it up to connect it with my outer corner. And then same thing, bringing that pink inner corner shade down so that way it's in my tear duct for a little bit of a pop. And last but not least, adding a little bit of Benefit Bad Gal Bang to the lower lash, not putting mascara on my eyelashes because I do have eyelash extensions and I don't want to ruin those. And last but not least, we're going to top this off with the Maybelline Lifters. Y'all, if you haven't used this lip gloss, you need it. It is stunning. I know lip products kind of aren't a thing right now because of masks, but I love it. So that is going to finish up the rest of this demo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Down below, let me know your thoughts. Do you have this palette? Are you going to pass on it? And sorry if you can hear my dogs moving around in the background. Y'all know the deal. Keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.